We are doing the almond Dutch baby today, and it has eggs, sea salt, cinnamon, vanilla, almond flour, and cane sugar in it. And I almost forgot the milk. And we have a big bowl to do it in. And so what we're making is a almond Dutch baby. It has, I don't know if you can see that. It has eggs, salt, sea salt. So we preheated the oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to turn on our pan and put half a cube of butter in and then let it melt. And then we're going to start mixing together our sugar, our cinnamon, our salt, and our almond flour. So next, we're going to add in the vanilla. So 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. So we got our teaspoons, tablespoons, our cups, and all that in one batch. So they come in different colorations. And if I can ever get this plastic off. Now I need to. There we go. Okay, so we would just need a teaspoon right now. Because
math, I saw that in your brain.
And there we go. And then we use 12 eggs. This one already had a crack in it. So usually when we are cracking eggs, after we're done cracking them, we put them back in the container. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to 3 on our stove.
Both hands. Open it up more so you're not burning yourself. I do not believe it's finished. Both hands. No, one on each end. There you go.
So yeah, that's how you make it, and it's really delicious. And go check out the recipes, the cookbook, and then you can see if you want to try any of them. And yeah.
And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. ABEN.
We're going to put the link in the description down below for this book, and it's on Amazon. And so yeah, and this cooks for about 13 to 14 minutes, but I usually just watch it through the oven to make sure it's rising correctly.